Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the trade recap. Very, very quick day. We were done at 9:39. Let's get right into it. So, we had news. Let me make sure my account names aren't in there. Yeah, so we made 1.3K. Now I can get rid of that. So, we had news yesterday with Trump speaking in the morning, and then today we had GDP and unemployment claims in the morning. I have no fucking water left. God damn it. Whatever. And then I knew we had 10 a.m. news, which I wasn't really that worried about, to be honest. But overall, I was bullish. Why was I bullish? Well, because we still have this entire new week opening gap on ES that we filled completely on NQ, but we haven't filled on ES. So I wanted to see ES fill that. That's the first thing. Second thing, we had an unfilled 4-hour for value gap and some nice highs here on the hourly on NQ. So some session highs. So I wanted to see those get hit into. Now, lastly, we're shifting London high. We shifted London on the 15-minute. So what did I want to see at open? I said, we're in an uptrend, everything I just said. I want to see a sell-off at open and get a retrace and long towards our draws above, being this and then the new week opening gap top on ES. Then I said we were more likely than not pump to the draws at open, which thankfully didn't happen, which I'm kind of surprised about. And I said I wouldn't be mad at shorts off those levels if we react accordingly, but overall today could continue to be bullish. So what happens? We sell off at open, and we tap this 15-minute fair value gap while also sweeping this low, which is a hourly protected low. It's a low on the hourly chart inside of an hourly gap, which always gets crazy reactions. And what's another cool little thing about this low? Obviously, now it's not valid, but at the time, there was an external SMT at this low. So we put in a external SMT with an hourly protected low and a respect of a 15-minute gap and an internal SMT. If you go over here, because right over here, we had not taken out the 930 low on ES, but we did on NQ. So now we have an internal SMT, an external SMT, a sweep of a hourly protected low, a 15-minute fair value gap respect, and we have bullish bias to draws above. What do? We get a 30-second inversion. Look at the momentum candle through this. Such beautiful momentum that I entered a little early, put my stop below the gap, and then I wanted to go one-to-one to this high above, but what happens? ES moons, and we get an SMT very quickly, so I trailed aggressively, and then we just missed it. We came back and wicked me about here for a little under one-to-one. Small trade, but I just wanted a winning day for Top Step because now I just took a payout from them and I want one more payout cycle before I'm going to blow them so that I don't get moved to live. So I'm just trying to collect winning days and then take out like 5 or 6K from them. So that's my second winning day with this. Yeah, so that's about it. The reason I got out and trailed was this SMT internally, and look what happened afterwards. That's called a fucking top tick right there. Top tick exit. Because internal SMTs have been banking lately and have been perfect for reversals. So, you got this internal SMT. I wouldn't be surprised if someone took a short like this, like a internal SMT 30-second short. Very, very money. I'm always going to trail or at least go break even if we get an internal SMT. I trailed, got stopped for a nice little winning day, made about 1.3K, and was done before 9:40. So, yeah, that's the trade recap. Very A+. If you go to the checklist, rejected out of a higher time frame PD array, yes, the 15-minute fair value gap and the hourly low. Internal SMT with the 930 low. External SMT with the hourly low. IFEG with great momentum. And then targets above all the ones I listed. Absolutely butter day. Done at 9:40. Now it's 9:56. I'm going to post this trade recap and be done with my day at 10:10. All right, catch you guys.